Hello and welcome to another video here in Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech MX Anywhere 3 wireless mouse. I got this mouse specifically for the reason that I will go travel soon and I needed a small mouse without a cable that connects via Bluetooth to macOS and is like fairly tiny, I would say, so I can take it anywhere while traveling without having to occupy a lot of space. And so I got this one, the MX Anywhere 3, and let's see on the back side it says Windows, macOS, Linux, Chrome OS, and iPad OS. So it's pretty versatile. You can use it on all operating systems pretty much. And some more info here. You can also use it on glass. Probably not going to use that a whole lot, but it's good to know that it's possible. Alright, well, let's get into unboxing this thing. Let's get off the top somehow, if we can manage to do so. Here we go. Let's get out the box. And I think here we have to get out the leash, and then here we go. This is the mouse. I have fairly small hands, so I'm gonna show you like how tiny this mouse is. It gets like covered all the way underneath my my hand pretty much, but it's still a mouse, and even though it's like not the most ergonomic mouse there is, as in size wise, it's still pretty good to for traveling and stuff like this. Then alright, so the mouse clicks are pretty silent. I mean, those two are definitely not silent. Doesn't have to be silent, it's not one of the silent mouses. It's just a normal mouse click, I would say. Alright, well then let's look at the different buttons that we have. So we have, of course, the left and the right click. We have this wheel. If you push it slowly, you can definitely feel that there are like different little, like it's stopping a little bit, but when you go, I'm sure you can hear that, you can go really fast. And then here, like a middle click, you can also middle click this one here. Not sure if you could hear that. And then there are two more buttons here for back and forward, usually like in a browser or something. So yeah, let's go. Then here in the box we have the USB adapter. I want to know if I can put this inside here, inside the mouse. Usually Logitech doesn't look like it, no. Usually Logitech is pretty famous for being able to store this little thing inside here, but I don't think this is possible. I don't need this anyway. I'm probably gonna still take it if there is an issue with the Bluetooth, but I'm not gonna really use it. And are there any here we go. Inside the package we got some cable, standard USB on this side, and on this side is USB-C, exactly how it should be. And you can charge it in the front of the mouse. Let me focus this camera, come on, here we go. You can focus here in the front of the camera, front of the mouse. You can focus, and you can plug, oh my god, you can plug this cable in and charge it. And then here we have just some paper, warranty, and quick setup guide, stuff like this. All right, well, let's get this all together so we have a good shot of everything. All right, here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.